What if a phone call from your future could change everything?
Hello, where are you?
I had this idea from a short sci-fi thriller, and I wanted to see how far I can actually take it. And the crazy part, I wanted to do it without a film studio, without actors, and without spending a fortune. Just me, ChatGPT, Google Flow, and zero budget. The story is simple. A guy receives a phone call from himself. And the first thing he hears is, "Don't open the door." I started with the story, and even that was written by ChatGPT. Then I started building in one shot at a time. First, I created the characters and the environment. Instead of trying to generate an entire scene at once, I started breaking everything down into small moments. And sometimes getting the AI to do exactly what I wanted was a lot harder than it looked. But once I had enough good shots, I started putting everything together. And after putting all of those pieces together, I finally had my trailer. So let's see how it turned out. This was probably one of the most fun projects I've made so far. It definitely wasn't perfect, but that's kind of the point. I'm curious to see how far we can push this. And don't forget, creativity is intelligence having fun.